Okay guys, just wanted to show you this beautiful raining weather. And look at the pasture, it's like a lake. We're hoping to go out hunting tonight. The rain's supposed to stop around 7, it's about 2 o'clock now, but I mean it's been a pouring and a pouring out here. It sucks. The woods are going to be swamped. So hopefully we can take out Luna or Fern. Fern went out last night and treated coon, and Mama Coon was up there, and then there was a bunch of babies in the bottom of the tree. Quinn didn't get a video of them, but they were there, and he's going to be putting a video up later on. But just wanted to show you guys this rain. Thanks for watching, guys. Ohio Raccoon Hunters. Hopefully we get to go out tonight, and we'll get a video up tomorrow sometime.